for its functionality, and here I have prepared a test file. So let's start the test file, and let me stop it. So you have seen the working. Hey, hello YouTube, I'm Karan from Bharat, and in this video I'm going to do a little crazy thing with batch. As all of we know HTML, so let me create a new document, and don't worry, I'm not switching to some other language from leaving the batch. I may leave the batch, but that's not how I'm gonna do it. So let's make a simple HTML document,
and let's see what I'm trying to say. So here in the F drive I'm gonna save a file named as index.html, and you can see here that I'm trying to define some tags, and you can see as in the h1 tag I'll try to use a marquee tag. Most of you are maybe familiar with this tag. I often found this tag more attractive than any other HTML tag. Yeah, marquee is closed, so h1 tag is also closed. So let me close the HTML tag, and
let's save it. And I also find this only tag most interesting in the HTML. So let's see what it can do. And here you can see that a text string is now moving from one corner of the screen to the other, and it will keep on doing that because we have given marquee tag here, marquee, or whatever you can say it. I wanted this kind of functionality in my batch programs so that a text string can move from here to there. Alongside, we can do other tasks in the screen. So I have created a project, and let me close HTML file down. So here you can see title marquee. I have named a project title marquee, and you can see it is a simple a kind of function of 877 bytes, and it is using getLength and bedbox for its functionality. And here I have prepared a test file. So let's start the test file, and let me stop it. So you have seen the working. So 100 is much more, so let me type it 40 milliseconds of delay. So I'm, as you can see, start/b here. I'm using multi-threading for the title marquee tag. So let's start a title here. So here you can see the title is moving as the marquee tag is going, and as the functionality of the marquee tag. And in the meanwhile, some other task is being run in the CMD console screen. So you can use it for making your batch programs much more attractive. And as you can see, it is now coming back by hitting a wall here. So the wall you have to define. The size of the wall is 120 characters that I have defined. You can increase it or decrease it depending on your own choice. So let me give you a little demo how you can use it. So let me turn the echo off, clear the screen. Let's call the title marquee and slash question mark. So here you can see it is giving help menu, and in the title bar it is showing some errors. So let me stop those errors. So you can see here it calculates the length of the given string, and okay, it is giving the help for the getLength function. So I may have not defined its help menu. Yep, there is no help menu, so you cannot get any help right now. So we don't want to help, we don't want any help. So let's start /b in the multi-threading and title marquee the string that we want to show. So I want to show the team.org, and the length of the characters can be 120, let's say, and delay of 10 milliseconds. So you can see here a title is now moving, so it gonna keep move because the thing is running in multi-threading mode inside this console screen. It will keep running until the console screen is on or open. As soon as we'll close it, both that process will get terminated. So let me turn the echo on and change the color to green, and whatever things we can do. Let me show a tree, let's say tree of F drive, and you can see now that the task is getting run. And as you can see, the speed is getting slow because my screen recorder is also using some of the resources, and because of those high CPU usages and other things, here you can see CPU usage is very much higher, and here you can see when the process is stopped, it is moving much faster. So let's see which process is using the maximum CPU. So my screen recorder is not leaving the CPU for any other task. That is why it is not getting the proper resources to execute properly. You can try it in your batch programs, and it will make them more attractive because you can show other things below in the screen, and your title will keep on moving as per your requirement. So as it uses these two batch plugins, and this is by Dark Batcher and this is created by KVC. The test file is just for 95 bytes, and the function itself is of 877 bytes. So when I'll add some help menu, it may take little more space for about, it will be about more than 1 KB, but in today's world where hard disks are more than 1 TB, so 1 KB doesn't matter. So I hope you'll like this project and this tutorial. Feel free to leave any comment and suggestion if you have any. Please like, please share, and subscribe to my channel if you like bash programs and innovative thinking. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.